Oy, what's up? Good morning mga tropang bangaw, mga kabangaw. Today is Monday morning, 9:02 ng umaga, at meron na tayong first booking para sa ating shifting na 9 AM to 5 AM. 5 PM pala. No? Sana makarami tayo dahil lalo na ngayon alert level 2 na. Mabukasan ng booking pag ganyan alert level 2. Syempre nakakalabas na yung mga tao, 'di ba? What's up na naman sa inyo mga kabangaw. Good morning sir. First booking. Malaki? Uy, wala ka bang tantali dyan?
Meron, straw.
Sige, pwede na yan. Dito sa likod ko. Gags, yung bigat.
Sa tali.
Okay. Morning mga kaibigan ng Agang Buena Mano nito. Ito yung unang booking ko sa 9 AM to 5 PM kong shifting. What a booking! Buena mano. Kala mo, gaan lang Ang bigat pala nito, purong mga empty sack. Grabe. So, ang biyahe natin is Taguig. Grab pay 46 minutes para sa drop off. At pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung mga shifting ulit tayo kasi maraming umiiyak na, well, tama naman, umiiyak. Mamaya natin pag-usapan yan pag drop off. Let's go, mahaba-habang oras pa naman.
Grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page. But I didn't like their way, had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
Gawa ng picture?
Oh, please, smile.
Hindi na kasama. Hindi na kailangan smile.
Smile na kayo.
Hindi naka-makeup
Yun lang. Yun yung una natin booking sa shifting natin ng 9 to 5. So saan tayo? Usap-usap muna tayo. Maraming umiiyak ngayon dahil nga naka-auto accept.
Mali.
Auto accept, always on pala. Kala ko pag kumuha ka ng shifting is dun lang mag-always on yung lahat ng services. Then after that, pagkatapos mo nun, babalik sa normal yung pwede ka nang mamili. Yung pala hindi. Ay, sorry po. Pero yung pala lahat ng express is naka-always on yung services. Well, bad trip naman talaga. Hindi ka kumuha ng schedule pero nadamay ka, no? Medyo bad trip. Okay naman sa akin lahat, wag lang yung pabili. Oo, okay sa akin lahat. Ito, okay sa akin lahat. Wag lang yung pabili. Or hindi, wag lang pabili. Wag lang matimingan ng ng scammer. Okay ako sa lahat. Walang problema sa akin lahat bigay mo sa akin, Grab. Wag lang scammer. Wag mo akong bigyan ng scammer. Laban ako sa lahat, hindi ko tatanggihan yan. Wag lang scammer. Yun lang talaga yung nakakabahala, 'di ba? Kasi nga naka-always on yung pabili, which is prone talaga sa scammer. So ingat na lang, no? Kung alam mo kung medyo nakakahinala, ayun, cancel mo or madiskartehan mo, or pwede namang baka yung iba kasi pumapayag ng sir, sendan mo ako sa Gcash kasi wala akong ganito, 'di ba? Para sureball tayo. Pero yung iba hindi pumapayag, so magtaka ka na, 'di ba? Pag legit naman kasi yan, papayag yan na sendan ka sa Gcash ng pera tapos ayun yung pambabayad mo. Alright, pangalawang booking. Uy, 4 hours, eto na. Uy, sarap sir. So mga kaibigan, ilan to? 10. Uy, First time ko to yung ganito karami. So banatan na natin to. Banatan pa ng iba. Second booking, 4 hours express. So ito na yung gustong mangyari nung isang nag-comment sa akin. So pag-usapan natin mamaya habang nasa biyahe. Good morning po. Okay, thank you. Alright, yun yung first pick up natin. Alright, na-pick up na natin yung pangalawang pick up. Kakak, pagum. Klangak. Okay, punta na tayo ng third pick up. Alright, third pick up. Okay. Alright. Alike. Paid. Fourth pick up na tayo mga kaibigan. Pagkatating ng fourth, yung pang 5 drop off pala yun. So alright, drop off na tayo. First drop off. Tapos pagkatapos ng drop off, may pick up ulit na isa, last na pick up. Uy, 13 minutes lang mga kaibigan. Let's go.
Grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
Alright, first drop off. Thank you po. Okay, dito tayo sa ika-5 pick up.
Doon ka tatanggap.
Okay po.
May bili mo maigi. Ma'am sir, hindi pwede matagilid mataob. Kakalat ko yung laman.
Okay, sige, thank you. Pangalawang drop off. 26 minutes, pabilisin natin.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
Nandito na tayo sa second drop off. Wait lang po, picturean ko lang. Alright, thank you. Pangatlong drop off, 11 minutes. 11 minutes lang. Easy.
Grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
Okay, pangatlong drop off. Oh, wag daw itataob-taob, basta nakaganyan lang. Picturean ko muna. Smile. Yun, tindig eh. Thank you. Uy, 11 minutes ulit. Easy. Fourth drop off. Let's go.
Grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
Alright, drop na natin. Pang-apat, last one. Picturean ko lang. Alright, ulitin ko ulit yung sinabi ko kanina dahil nalobat, ewan ko kung na-record yun o hindi, pero ulitin ko na lang. Pag-usapan natin yung 4 hours dahil last drop ko na naman to. So maraming umiyak din dito sa 4 hours, hindi daw makatao. Ewan ko ba nung hindi makatao yung sinasabi nila dito sa 4 hours. Well, sa akin, para sa akin, goods na goods ang 4 hours. Okay na okay sa akin tong 4 hours. Actually hindi ko to alam eh. Hindi ko siya alam. Ngayon ko lang siya na-experience nung nakaraang video ko at saka ngayon ko lang siya na-experience. So goods na goods siya sa akin, no. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano nila sinasabi na hindi makatao to, no. So dahil sa goods na goods, pag bumalik dun sa normal na pwede mo nang on-off na yung mga services mo, eh isasama ko na to sa i-on ko dahil alam ko na okay naman pala siya. Tapos malaki pa yung yung gems, malaki rin makukuha mong pera. Tapos marami ka pang dire-diretso pa yung yung pasada mo, 'di ba? Yun lang naman sa akin, yun lang naman yung gusto ko, yung dire-diretso, hindi ako mababangko, hindi ako maghihintay. Yun lang naman sa akin. So kung tingin nyo lugi to, eh kayo na lang bahala. So yun sa nag-comment, sir, goods na goods sa akin to. Goods na goods sa akin tong 4 hours. Kung hindi nyo gusto yung booking nyo, huwag nyo lang tanggapin, sir, kasi sasama ng loob nyo, mababad trip lang kayo. Bad trip yung buong araw nyo. Hindi maganda yun, di ba? Yun lang, huwag nyo nang tanggapin kung mababad trip lang kayo, kasi kung tatanggapin nyo yung booking, baka kung ano pang isipin nyo sa hawak nyong parcel. Kasi nga bad trip kayo dahil hindi nga makatao. Marami kayong may isip dyan, di ba? So wag nyo na lang tanggapin para goods kayo, no, para hindi kayo magkasamaan ang loob ng company, no. Yun lang, good sa akin to. So i-drop na natin to. Let's go.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
Iwan ko na sa kanya, bilog sa naman yun. Thank you po. Okay, thank you rin.
So, na-drop ko na yung 4 hours. Uy, 3 butas agad, sir. Oh. 60 kasi binigay sa akin ng gym. So, naka 100 incentive na ako. 104. Very nice, sir. Tapos yung income ko is 463. So, tingnan natin kung papasukan tayo dito sa Commonwealth. Yung huling drop ko. Tambay muna tayo dito. Waiting. Alright, pinasukan na tayo ng pabili, mga kaibigan. First time pabili. Malapit lang siya eh. Mercury Drugs. Item Wilkins ascorbic acid, zinc. Ayan yung bibilin. Kung bubugusin mo ako, kung hindi mo ako babayaran, magagamit ko naman yung mga yan. Try na natin to. Okay. Thank you, kuya. So, ito na yung binili natin. Okay, deliver na natin to.
Grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see, cause everybody.
Alright, so yun yung pangatlo nating booking. Last 2 hours na lang. 2:54, last 2 hours. Yan, matatapos na yung ating shifting. Okay naman pala pabili. Yun nga lang talaga, ang kinakatakot ko lang talaga yung scammer, yung abono 1.6 ganun hanggang 2,000. Yun lang yung nakakatakot. Okay naman yung yung pabili. Huwag lang matimingan sa masamang loob talaga, dahil inaabuso talaga yung pabili. Okay kasi maliit yung distansya niya maliit lang, pero okay na okay sa sa fair. Kaya goods na goods, okay naman pala to, pero hindi pa rin kita bubuksan dahil natatakot ako sa scam, no. Sana pasukan ako dito pa rin ako. Commonwealth pa rin to eh. Let's go. Uy, hindi tayo naghintay ng matagal, mga kaibigan. Pagkalabas ko pa lang dito sa village na to, tumambay lang ako saglit, mga 2 minutes. Sumilong lang ako, ayan, nakakuha na tayo ulit. So, puntahan na natin to. Thank you po. Ay, sorry. Alright. Yun yung ating pang-apat na booking. 11 minutes na. Right, 11 minutes, let's go.
In a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
Okay na po, picturean ko na lang po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Apo. Salamat po. 90, 6 na lang, sir. 4 na butas na. Ang ilan ba yung 4 na butas? 180? Hindi na masama. May last pa tayo, 1.5 hour. Sana makuha natin to.
Grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong.
Alright, ang oras natin ay 4:59. Sa pinasukan ako ng booking is 4:58. 2 minutes na lang bago pumasok matapos yung aking shifting ng 9 to 5. Goods na rin kasi makukompleto ko yung pang-4 na butas ko, which is 180. Galing ni timing ni Grub, oh. Nakakatawa ni Grub, oh. Timing oh. Okay. Bye bye. Ha? Okay, sige. Thank you. Bye bye. Huwag na kayo magalit, pick up lang ako eh. Okay, last booking 19 minutes. 19 minutes lang pala. Ito yan, oh.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
Picturean ko lang. Alright, thank you. So paano? Last booking na yan. Uwi na tayo. Success yung ano natin, yung first time nating mag 9 to 7 na shifting. Tapos first time kong magpabili. First time kong pabili, which is good naman. Sa akin good, parang aliw na nga ako eh. Parang gusto ko nang sanayin yung ganito yung sarili ko, yung bukas lahat. Okay sa akin, parang okay. Nakakatuwa rin kasi may experience mo. Tapos okay pala. Kaso lang yung nakakatakot, huwag kang pasukan ng ng masamang loob sa pabili, no. Yun lang yung problema. But yung ibang services okay na okay mga kaibigan. Feeling ko i-on ko na lahat to. Sobrang goods pala to. So paano mga kabangaw? Sana kayo ay nakarami rin ngayong araw na to. Kapit lang, laban lang, walang iyak-iyakan, ha? Mga kaibigan, ha? Huwag puro iyak. Walang madaling trabaho mga kaibigan. Hanggang sa muli mga kaibigan. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe ng buhay. Ingat lagi sa kalsada. Ride safe. God bless. Peace out, bounce.